3 maintenance hacks are destroying Mercedes engines and owners think they're being responsible. 4 others can add 200,000 miles. The difference is around $12,000. Here's the list. Worst number 1. Coolant flush machines at quick lube shops. Let's start with a service that sounds thorough and does real damage. You have probably seen it advertised at oil change chains and even some independent shops. They hook your Mercedes up to a coolant exchange machine, push new coolant through the entire system, and claim they have done a complete flush. It sounds like a complete service. For a Mercedes, it is one of the fastest ways to destroy your cooling system from the inside. Here is why. Your Mercedes cooling system uses aluminum for the radiator, the cylinder head, the thermostat housing, and most of the coolant passages. Aluminum is lightweight and conducts heat efficiently, but it corrodes. The coolant in your system is not just water and antifreeze. It contains a specific corrosion inhibitor package engineered for the metallurgy Mercedes uses. MB3 25.6 is the current spec for most modern models. That formulation is pH, balanced to protect aluminum specifically. It does not mix cleanly with generic universal coolant. When a shop runs a machine flush on a Mercedes, they almost never use MB spec coolant. They use whatever bulk universal antifreeze they stock for every car that comes through the door. The machine pushes that generic coolant through the system, mixing it with whatever residue is left behind. The result is a coolant chemistry that does not match what the system was designed for. The pH shifts, the inhibitor package becomes diluted and mismatched, and aluminum corrosion begins, slowly at first, invisibly, until you start finding fine white deposits around hose connections, coolant passages narrowing, or a thermostat housing that begins to pit from the inside. The first sign of a problem is usually a minor coolant leak that was not there before the service. Then comes the overheating that appears only under load. Then the repair conversation. Radiators on modern Mercedes models run $400 to $700. Aluminum cylinder head damage from chronic overheating, which is where this road ends if you ignore it long enough, starts at $3,000 and climbs fast. The service your Mercedes actually needs is a drain and fill using the correct MB spec coolant, done at a shop that stocks it or by you in your own driveway. A jug of the correct coolant costs around $25. The machine flush at a quick lube using the wrong chemistry costs you $120 up front and a potential $1,500 repair 6 months later. Never let a quick lube touch your Mercedes coolant system. Worst number 2. Spark plug replacement using aftermarket iridium plugs from the parts store shelf. This one is counterintuitive because the advice sounds responsible. Your Mercedes plugs are due, you walk into an auto parts store, find a set of iridium-tipped plugs at the right heat range for your engine, pay $40 for a set of 4 or 8, and feel good about maintaining the car properly. The problem is that modern Mercedes engines, the M256, M264, M276, and M177 units, require spark plugs with a specific electrode geometry, gap dimension, and ground strap configuration that is engineered for that engine's combustion chamber shape and ignition timing map. Generic iridium plugs from the shelf meet a general specification. They do not meet the specific clearance and flame propagation geometry that Mercedes combustion engineers designed the cylinder head around. Install the wrong plug and you get inconsistent ignition timing, lean misfire at partial throttle that the ECU compensates for by enriching the fuel mixture, and elevated combustion chamber temperatures that accelerate carbon buildup on the intake valves, already the single biggest long-term weakness of direct injection Mercedes engines. The ECU will adapt. It always does. That is the problem. You will not feel a noticeable difference immediately, but over the next 20,000 miles, the adaptation accumulates. Fuel trims drift rich. Carbon builds faster than it would with correct plugs. Fuel economy drops by a margin small enough that you will blame gas prices instead of the plugs. And when the car eventually needs an intake cleaning, a service that runs $400 to $700 at an independent shop, the incorrect plugs will have significantly accelerated the timeline. OEM Mercedes spark plugs, or the exact Bosch or NGK part number, specified by Mercedes for your engine cost more. 8 plugs for a 5.5-liter V8 will run $120 to $160 compared to $60 for generic iridium. That $80 difference is not a luxury. It is the difference between a combustion system operating at its design specification and one that is compensating from day one. Worst number 3. Ignoring the breather and PCV system until it causes a visible problem. This is the maintenance item that almost nobody talks about because it does not appear on any service schedule and it never announces itself until the damage is already done. Your Mercedes engine has a crankcase ventilation system, often called the PCV or breather system, that routes blow-by gases, unburned fuel vapor and combustion residue that leak past the piston rings during operation, back into the intake manifold to be burned. This keeps the crankcase pressure balanced and prevents oil contamination from building up inside the engine. The problem is that those blow-by gases carry oil vapor with them. Over time, that oil vapor deposits a sticky residue inside the breather hoses, the PCV valve, and the oil separator. As the deposits accumulate, flow restriction increases. Crankcase pressure builds higher than it should. That excess pressure pushes oil past seals, the valve cover gaskets, the camshaft seals, and on four-cylinder engines, the rear main seal. Owners notice oil seeping from places it was not seeping before. They replace the seals. The seals leak again within 30,000 miles. They replace them again. Nobody identified the root cause, which is the restricted PCV system still pushing oil past every seal in the engine. On most inline Mercedes engines, the M2644 cylinder and M2566 cylinder, the oil separator is a plastic component mounted to the valve cover. It costs $40 to $80. Replacing it every 60,000 miles before restriction causes excess crankcase pressure costs almost nothing. The valve cover gasket that fails when you do not replace it costs $200 to $400 to fix. The rear main seal, if excessive crankcase pressure reaches it, is a $600 to $900 repair, including labor on most Mercedes models. Repair the breather system proactively, and none of those conversations happen. Quick note, if this is changing how you think about maintaining your Mercedes, subscribe. I post weekly videos on what actually works, what destroys these cars, and how to avoid the repairs that most owners never see coming until they are already paying for them. Best number 1. Walnut shell blasting the intake valves on a schedule. Modern Mercedes 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines use direct injection. The fuel injectors spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber, which makes the system more efficient and more powerful than older port injection designs. It also means that fuel never washes over the backs of the intake valves the way it did on every engine built before 2005. Intake valves get hot. Blow-by gases from the crankcase ventilation system coat them with a fine mist of oil vapor. Without fuel washing that deposit away, carbon accumulates on the back face of the valve. Over time, it hardens. Valves that are partially blocked by carbon deposits do not seal cleanly. Airflow into the combustion chamber becomes turbulent and reduced. Power drops noticeably. Fuel consumption increases. Cold start misfires appear that clear once the engine is warm. No fuel additive fixes this. Nothing you pour in the tank reaches the back of an intake valve on a direct injection engine. The only solution is physical cleaning. Walnut shell blasting, which involves removing the intake manifold, sealing the intake ports, and blasting the valve faces with finely crushed walnut shells using compressed air. The shells are hard enough to remove carbon and soft enough not to damage the metal. An experienced Mercedes independent shop performs this service in 3 to 4 hours. Cost is typically $350 to $600 depending on whether it is a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder. The timing that works is every 60,000 miles. Owners who wait until the symptoms are obvious are already past the point where cleaning fully restores performance. Owners who schedule it at 60,000-mile intervals keep their direct injection engine performing exactly as it did when it left the factory, indefinitely. This is one service the dealer will often quote at $800 or more. Independent shops that specialize in German engines are significantly more competitive. Get the quotes before you authorize anything. Best number 2. Transmission drain and fill on a 40,000-mile interval. Mercedes transmissions, the 7G-tronic, the 9G-tronic, and the AMG speed shift units are listed by Mercedes as filled for life. No transmission fluid change required. That designation means the fluid was engineered to outlast the warranty period under normal operating conditions. It does not mean the fluid improves with age, and it does not mean a transmission running on original fluid at 120,000 miles is in the same condition as one that has had 2 fluid services. Transmission fluid degrades thermally. Every high-load event, every tow, every hot day and stop-and-go traffic puts heat into the fluid. Heat oxidizes it. Oxidized fluid loses viscosity and begins to leave varnish deposits on the valve body surfaces. The valve body controls shift pressure, timing, and torque converter lockup through dozens of precision passages and solenoids. Varnish in those passages causes shift hesitation, firm shifts at cold startup, and eventually solenoid failure. A solenoid replacement on a Mercedes 9 G-Tronic runs $400 to $800. A valve body replacement starts at $1,200. A transmission rebuild starts at $3,500. The correct service is a drain and fill, not a flush machine, never a flush machine, at every 40,000 miles. Drop the pan, replace the filter, add fresh Mercedes-approved fluid. On the 9 G-Tronic, that means MB236.15. On the 7 G-Tronic, it is MB236.14. Using the wrong fluid is nearly as harmful as not changing it at all. The service costs $180 to $300 at an independent shop. Done 3 times over 120,000 miles, you have spent $700 to keep a transmission in factory condition. 1 valve body replacement costs more than 4 fluid services. The math is not close. Best number 3. Battery registration every time a new battery is installed. This one is less about the battery and more about what happens to every other system in the car when it gets a battery the car does not know about. Modern Mercedes vehicles from 2005 onward use an intelligent battery sensor, the IBS, that monitors battery health, state of charge, and charging behavior. The alternator uses this data to decide how aggressively to charge the battery and when to reduce electrical load on the engine. When you replace the battery without telling the car a new battery has been installed, the IBS continues operating based on the degraded profile of the old battery. The alternator charges the new battery as if it were a worn-out unit, which means it overcharges it in some conditions and undercharges it in others. Overcharging degrades the new battery faster than normal use would. Undercharging causes partial charge cycling that shortens cell life. A battery that should last 5 to 7 years lasts 3. Beyond the battery itself, unregistered battery replacements cause the start-stop system to stay disabled, the energy recuperation system to operate incorrectly, and on models with active suspension or air suspension, compressor activation patterns to behave erratically. Owners report intermittent warning lights, start-stop that never re-enables, and a driving feel that is subtly wrong in ways that are hard to articulate. Registration requires a diagnostic scanner with Mercedes capability. Basic MB-compatible OBD, 2 scanners with battery registration function, are available for $50 to $80. The dealer charges $75 to $125 for the same procedure. An independent German car specialist charges $40 to $60. Do it every single time a battery goes in. The battery itself will last longer. Every system that depends on accurate battery data will work correctly. And you will never spend $300 chasing an intermittent electrical fault that was caused by a $0 registration step that got skipped. Best number 4. Differential and transfer case fluid changes on a mileage schedule. This is the maintenance item that most Mercedes owners never think about and most service advisors never bring up. Every 4MATIC Mercedes has a front differential, a rear differential, and a transfer case. Every rear-wheel drive Mercedes has a rear differential. These components are filled with gear oil at the factory and, like the transmission, are often listed as sealed for life. Also, like the transmission, that designation is a warranty period calculation, not a statement about what is optimal for longevity. Gear oil in differentials and transfer cases degrades the same way transmission fluid does, thermally and mechanically. The friction modifiers that keep limited slip differentials operating smoothly deplete over time. The viscosity index improvers break down under shear stress. As the oil degrades, metal-to-metal contact increases inside the differential. Wear accelerates. On a 4MATIC system, a failing front differential causes handling behavior that feels like alignment drift on corner entry. A worn rear differential produces a subtle howl under load that most owners attribute to tire noise until the bearing fails completely. Front differential replacement on a 4MATIC Mercedes runs $800 to $1,400. Rear differential rebuild is $600 to $1,200. Transfer case service ranges from $500 to $1,100 depending on what needs attention. All of it is preventable with a 60,000-mile fluid service that costs $80 to $150 per unit at an independent shop. Drain the fluid. Inspect the magnetic drain plug for metallic debris. Fine gray paste on the magnet is normal. Chunks of metal are not. That is the warning that something needs closer attention before it becomes a replacement. Refill with the correct Mercedes-specified gear oil. On most 4MATIC systems, that is MB235.7 or MB235.8, depending on model year and axle configuration. Using the wrong spec gear oil in a Mercedes differential is like using the wrong transmission fluid. It works until it does not, and when it stops working, the cost is significant. Those are the 3 worst and 4 best maintenance practices for Mercedes-Benz owners. The worst three: machine coolant flushes with wrong spec fluid, shelf-grade spark plugs that do not match the combustion chamber geometry, and ignoring the PCV and breather system until seals start weeping, combined to cost owners thousands in compounding repairs that each one triggered. The best four: walnut blasting on schedule, transmission drain and fills with the correct fluid, battery registration every time, and differential fluid service at 60,000 miles. Add up to maybe $2,000 spent over the life of the car in exchange for mechanical systems that perform at factory specification at 200,000 miles. The Mercedes owners who make it to high mileage without major mechanical failures are not lucky. They are following a maintenance plan that goes slightly beyond what the service booklet says and significantly beyond what the oil life monitor recommends. The car rewards that attention. The owners who skip it find out why these cars have a reputation for being expensive to fix. They are not expensive to fix because they are poorly engineered. They are expensive to fix because the engineering assumes you are going to maintain them properly. Do that, and the car will hold up better than most people believe it can. If you want to go deeper on keeping your Mercedes running at 200,000 miles and beyond, the next video covers the 5 things I check on every high-mileage Mercedes before I recommend buying it. Subscribe so you do not miss it.